there's some specific ways that we can use this information to help the public better understand how climate change impacts their daily lives.
Well, in some sense, that is my job, is to try to put numbers on what has mainly this past few years become very painfully obvious. Maybe you don't even need me to tell you that the climate's changing and that weather's getting worse. I mean, all you have to do is pay attention. I mean, we talked about fires. I've lived in California now for almost 40 years, and I don't remember bad air days like we've had. I have a photograph taken from near my house where the sky was orange, and orange like an unnatural orange, like orange soda. It was apocalyptic. It was frightening. You're a climate scientist to know that that's weird and that's unusual. These heat waves, that have affected a lot of people, that killed a lot of people. His grandparents. I think that's very personal and very distressing thing if that were to happen. These storms, Hurricane Ian in Florida was a very devastating storm. We wrote recently that climate change made the storm 20% wetter, but that's only part of the damages. We had this huge storm surge in Fort Myers, like 15 or 20 feet, that wiped homes right off their foundations, and then a few days later, the fresh water, the rainfall ran through the systems and flooded a large number of homes outside of Tampa, and so. The insurance rates are an issue. I mean, that's an issue in California. Mine went from 2,000 to 5,000, my own. And so, it's how this information is used, I think is a question for you. I can tell you what happened and what's going to happen, or what our best guess is what's going to happen. But what we do about it is, is not something I decide. That is something that the people decide through their elected representatives.
Thank you. Thank you.